In this video, we will look at the answers to the quiz from this section. The first question asks us which of the following is a float. The answer is 9.0f. Recall that a float in C++ meets two main criteria. It has a decimal point in the value and a lowercase f right after. 2 is an integer. 3.5 is a double, since it does not have a suffix of a lowercase f. Negative 100 is an integer, since it is a negative whole number. The second question provides us the string coding, and asks us which character is at index 2 in the string. The correct answer here is D. Indexing in C++ starts at 0, so C has an index of 0, O has an index of 1, and D has an index of 2, making D the correct answer.